We've got the recipes from the diners and the steakhouses, from parents and grandparents and the old neighborhood grill expert, and we're bringing those recipes to you. This is ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook.
Okay, that's a wrap in the kitchen. Mike, go ahead and read the script. We'll let the credits play.
Okay.
Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions Video Team, the DLC Media Group, and KUPSOUNDS Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Productions. Research, legal, and professional services provided by Firm of Cups, Portuese, Buffa, and Paraskevich. You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Need songwriting inspiration? Try alternate guitar tunings. Musical Mike's Melodic Monday explores some common and some of the more obscure songs with alternative guitar tunings to inspire you to write your next masterpiece. Have you ever experimented with different tunings? It's one way to provide a creative spark and instruct you, as it has so many other songwriters. One of the reasons alternate tunings can spark ideas for songwriters is because they make you play the guitar differently, which forces you to experiment with different sounds and shapes on the guitar neck. This just might make your music stand out. So, join us, won't you, on KPBP TV in conjunction with KUPSOUNDS Studios, your Midwest choice for great music on Musical Mike's Melodic Monday. Celebrating over 50 years of friendship and over 20 years of retreats, the Old Neighborhood Cooking Crew is preparing and serving a dinner truly reminiscent of the good old days, when supper clubs and steakhouses, those fine dining establishments in cities around the country, served as the venue for everything from engagements and birthdays to multi-million-dollar business deals and mob hits. The Old Neighborhood Supper Club was revered in the exceptional food, excellent service, quiet room was the place where conversations could easily take place with maybe the tinkling of a piano playing in the background, where the diners knew that one does not wear a hat at the table, like they were scarfing hot dogs at a ballpark, where a phone call was considered a rude intrusion to the moment. On this special, the crew is preparing and serving up a true steakhouse repast, from the traditional relish tray to a most special dessert. Join us for the Old Neighborhood Cooking Show special, the 50-Year Supper Club Celebration.